Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to discuss about the few more important things from the trigonometry. Okay, regarding the sine rule and cosine rule. Okay, how to solve questions related to those. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Now see here, before we go to the sine rule and cosine rule, just few more important questions maybe might be asked in exams. Okay, see, these are the three important formulas. Please remember that sine theta into sine 2 theta into sine 4 theta, which means the theta is doubling every time. It is doubled, right, every time. So which means then in such case the answer is 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. The same case, cos theta, cos 2 theta and cos 4 theta, everything is in product, and then the answer is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. The same thing is for tan. Okay, tan 2 theta and tan 4 theta, which is equal to tan 3 theta only. There is no any 1 by 4 term. Okay, because tan is equal to sine by cos, that 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will cancel each other. Okay, so we'll understand better with these examples. See the question, read this question. They gave cos 10, okay, cos 20 nala raskochu into cos 2 into 10, right? Like cos 40 ni cos 4 into 10, right? Which is in the format of cos theta, 2 theta and 4 theta, right? So the answer will be 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. In place of theta, that is 10, correct? So the answer is 1 by 4 cos 30. Cos 30 and anta root 3 by 2, right? Which is equal to root 3 by 8. That's it. So very easy, right? So if you know the formula, then you can easily solve. So in the same way, see, this is another type of question. See here, they given four terms actually. So first of all, make it sine 10 degrees into sine 20 nala rachu 2 into 10 and rachu kada. 2 into 10 degrees into alage sine 40 ni sine 4 into 10 into we have a sine 60. Sine 60 ni 10 4 6 into 10 and write the direct sine 60 and after. Why? Because we know the formula up to 3 terms, sine theta, 2 theta and 4 theta. So in place of all these things, can I replace 1 by 4 sine 3 into theta, in place of theta 10 into what we left with, sine 60, right? Sine 60. So if you solve this, 1 by 4 into sine 30 into sine 60. So 1 by 4 into sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3 by 4 is 16. So this is the answer. Hope it's clear, right? Now, so this is another type of question. See, sine 10 into sine 50 into sine 70. Is this in the format of theta, 2 theta and 4 theta? No, right? See here, the theta is not in terms of 2 theta and 4 theta, right? So we need to make change there. So first of all, see here all the terms in sine, right? So can I say sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, right? So 90 minus theta 90 kabatti it should change to sine, cos sine change avutundi, and 90 minus theta it will be theta, and it is the first quadrant, so plus, right? So appudu nenu sin 10 ni ela raskochu cos 90 minus 10 into sin 40 ni cos 90 minus cos sin 50 ela raskochu 90 minus 50. In the same way, cos 90 minus 70, right? So cheppandi cos 90 minus 90 lo ante anta cos 80, correct? Alage cos 90 lo 50 teste anta cos 40 into cos 20. Now it is in the form of theta 2, right? So now theta is equal to 20, then 2 theta is equal to 40 and 4 theta is equal to 80. So now in the form of that, right? So theta, 2 theta and 4 theta, right? Where theta is equal to 20. So now formula is 1 by 4 cos 3 theta, 3 into 20. So now and the cos 3 into 20 and cos 60. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Answer is 1 by 8. Simple, right? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సైన్లో ఇచ్చాడు అన్ని కాస్ట్లోకి మార్చుకున్నాను. సో దెన్ ఇట్ మేక్స్ సెన్స్ లైక్ theta, 2 theta and 4 theta format. So I can use directly 1/4 cos 3 theta. In place of theta it is 20 now. Simple. So now this is also one of the type. Here tan 5/36 and 5/8 and 5/9. Right, we don't know what is the value of degrees తెలియదు కదా, theta value అంతా తెలియదు. So first of all phi is equal to 180 we know, so just substitute tan 180 by 36 and tan 180 by 18 and tan 180 by 9. Right, 9 1 ja, 9 20 ja, 8 1 ja, 8 10 ja, 18 1 ja, so 36 1 ja, 36 5 ja, correct. So now the tan 5 into tan 10 into tan 20, right? So this is also theta is equal to 5 and 2 theta is equal to 10 and 4 theta is equal to 20. So what is the formula? It should be direct tan 3 theta. So in place of theta it should be 5. So tan 15. What is the value of tan 15? We already learned, right? I already told you. Yeah. Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. That's it. That is the answer. Answer is equal to 2 minus root 3. Hope it's clear. So very important points, these three. Please remember all these things. These are the direct questions they can ask. Now I move to the trigonometry laws. So basically these laws will use to find unknown values in the oblique triangle. Okay, which means 90 degrees right angle triangle కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఉంటాయి చూస్తారా, దాంట్లోనే అన్నోన్ వాల్యూస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఈ లాస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, అయితే దేర్ ఆర్ టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ లాస్. వన్ ఈజ్ సైన్ రూల్, ఓకే, అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ కొసైన్ రూల్. సైన్ రూల్కి లెట్స్ సపోజ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు నో హియర్: యాంగిల్ ఏ, యాంగిల్ బి అండ్ యాంగిల్ సి, అండ్ సైడ్ బి, రైట్, and side C and side A, right? So in this case the formulas are A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Okay, or you can reversely also mention sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. Anything is fine. So these are the formulas. If you remember, then you can easily solve, otherwise no. So let's understand with this example. See, if in a triangle ABC, if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4 and sin A is equal to 1/4, then what is the angle B and adutunnadu. So let's suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. So ఏమన్నాడు, ఈ సైడ్ ఇచ్చాడు 2, right? B ఎక్కడ ఉంది, 4 ఇక్కడ. సో రైట్, B కి ఆపోజిట్ టు ద B and C కి ఆపోజిట్ టు C. ఇది తెలీదు, సో స్మాల్ c అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే, అండ్ sin A ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ, sin A is equal to 1/4 ఇచ్చాడు. సో దెన్ యాంగిల్ is equal something we don't know. Okay, now we have to find the angle B. So in that case, what is the formula? A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. Here only రెండు టర్మ్స్ కోసం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి you can directly take only two terms, not third angle తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So small a is equal to 2 and sin A is equal to 1/4 and small b is equal to 4. We don't know sin B, that we need to find. Okay, so angle B find out చేయమన్నాడు. So now sin B ఇటు సైడ్ వెళ్తే it become 2 sin B is equal to 1/4, right? So it should be 1. So then sin B is equal to 1/2. So sin B is equal to 1/2 and B angle B ఏమవుతుంది, sin inverse of 1/2. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది 1/2? It should be 30 degrees, right? So B angle B is equal to 30 degrees. So that is the answer. Now let's move to the second example. See, the angle AB and C of a triangle ABC are in the ratio of 3:5:4. Okay, what is the ratio of A square to B square to C square? The same way, A, B and C. This is if you consider 3x and this is, let's suppose, 5x and this should be 4x. Okay, this is we need to find, if suppose this is A, this is B and this is C, we need to find A square to B square to C square, right? Now we know the ratios here, how to solve. So I'm considering it to x, okay, 3x and 5x and 4x. So now we know, right, all internal sum of internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So can I say 3x plus 5x plus 4x is equal to 180, which means 12x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 180 by 12. which is equal to 15. So x 15 వచ్చింది. So what we have to find? A square is to b square is to c square, right? So what is the formula we have? A by sin a, right? A by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c. So నాకు రేషియోస్ ఇచ్చాడుగా వాల్యూ తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ కన్సిడరింగ్ సమ్ k అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూ k అనుకుంటున్నాను. లెట్స్ సపోజ్. సో నా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇక్కడ x మనకి 15 వస్తే ఆల్ ద 3 యాంగిల్స్ ఏమవుతున్నాయి? 345, 5 15 5 is 75 and 60, right? So which means this is angle A, this is angle B and this is angle C. So నాకు ఈ యాంగిల్స్ వచ్చాయి. సో నా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్. So a by sin 45 is equal to b by sin 75 is equal to c by sin 60 is equal to k అనుకోండి. బట్ మనం ఇప్పుడు a is to b is to c is to ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? k into sin 45 is to k is to sin 75 is to k is to sin 60, correct? So now a is to b is to c is equal to substitute, formula substitute, value substitute, sin 45 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 k is to sin 75. What is the value of sin 75? We should remember that one. So sin 75 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 k is to sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 k. Correct? So now వాడు అడిగింది ఏంటి? కాకపోతే a square is to b square is to c square అడిగాడు కదా. So we should do square on all the sides, right? So this is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square ఏమవుతుంది? It should be 1 by 2 k square, right? అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square. root 3 plus 1 whole square అంటే it's a plus b whole square. So 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 root 3, correct? 4 plus 2 root 3 by 4 2s are 8 k square, right? And root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 2 3 by 4 k square. So now 1 by 2 k square is to 4 plus 2 by root 2 root 3 అలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. 2 కామన్ తీస్తే 2 plus root 3, right? Which means 2 plus root 3 by 4 k square and 3 by 4 whole k square. So this is the values. So a square is to b square is to c square ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇది అవుతుంది. Okay, so this is how you should supposed to do using sine rule. Hope it's clear. Now these are the questions related to sine rule. Now I am moving to the cosine rule. See, ఒకవేళ cosine rule use చేస్తే see చూడండి, this is angle A, this is angle C, this is angle B, and opposite to the angle A small a, this is side, and opposite to angle B, that is small b, that is side, the distance between A and C, and the same way C. So in such case cos C is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, and cos A here, cos A is equal to b square plus here C, whatever here it is there, you can take small here and remaining you can take plus b square plus c square. So A you can replicate to small a minus a square by 2bc. The same way b to b, in the same way c to c. In this way you should supposed to compare and get it understand. Okay, what is the, and I mean అంటే మన ఫార్ములాస్ బై హార్ట్ చేయలేం. ఫార్ములాస్ పెరిగే కాన్సెప్ట్ పెరిగే కొద్ది ఫార్ములాస్ పెరిగిపోతే ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని మనం బై హార్ట్ చేయలేం. సో మనం ఒక లాజిక్ పట్టుకున్నామంటే అప్పుడు ఈజీగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడానికి ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. So now let's move to the example. See, the angle between two sides of a triangle having length 6 cm and 8 cm is 60 degrees. ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లోని 2 sides 6 cm అనుకోండి 8 cm అనుకోండి, దాని మధ్యన యాంగిల్ అంటే 60 degrees అంట. సో ఇన్ సచ్ కేస్ థర్డ్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఇది ఎక్స్ అనుకోండి, ఈ సైడ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం? సో ఇప్పుడు ఏదో ఏ తీసుకున్న ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. లెట్స్ సపోజ్ ఏబిసి అనుకోండి. సో కాస్ ఏ ఫార్ములా తీసుకోండి. కాస్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమన్నాను, ఏ అంటే స్మాల్ ఏతో ఏ స్క్వేర్ రిప్లికేట్ చేయాలి, రిమైనింగ్ రెండు ప్లస్ రిప్లికేట్ చేయాలి బై 2bc, కరెక్ట్? up to cos A is equal to 60. So which means cos 60 is equal to B and 6 square plus C is 8 square minus A we don't know, so A square keep it same, and 2 into 6 into 8, correct. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, 6 square plus is 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64 minus A square by 48 to the 96. So 2 1 ja 2 48 ja. So 48 at side alte, so it will become 48 is equal to 36 plus 64 is 100 minus A square. So A square it should 100 minus 48, which is equal to 52. So A square is equal to 52, then A is equal to root over 52. Okay, so answer is root over 52. Other side is root over 52. So now see, this is another type of question. In a triangle ABC, this is triangle, if you consider this is triangle ABC, A, B and C, or else you can mention either way, either is fine, A, B, C. So AB is equal to 4 centimeter they given, BC is equal to 8 and AC is equal to 5. So then cos A they are asking. So cos A is equal to simple, right? A is A to replicate chain minus A square and remaining 2 plus by 2 BC. Substitute B and anta. So opposite to A is 8, opposite to B is this is equal to B, this is equal to A and this is equal to C. So B square plus C square, 8 square, sorry 5 square plus 4 square minus A square minus 8 square by 2 into 5 into 4, 5 square 25 plus 4 square 16 minus 8 square 64, right. Now 2 5 is a 10, 10 4 is a 40. So 41 minus 64 by 40, which is equal to minus 23 by 40. So answer is minus 23 by 40. Hope it's clear. So this is basically cosine rule mein sine rule mein the adige chances unte. So these two formulas are important in such cases. So with this, the trigonometry I have completed all the, hope I have completed all the, I have covered all the topics, right. So if you have any doubts or anything, please comment in the comment section so that we can discuss later. Thank you all of you.